In this video, you'll learn how to create a digital agency website using WordPress and Elementor. By following these steps, you will have a functional website tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Site section. This is typically found in the top navigation menu. Click on Sites to proceed. Next, locate the option that says Create with AI. This button will initiate the process of setting up your website using artificial intelligence. After you click this button, a new screen will appear indicating that the system is laying the foundations for your site. This may take a moment as the system prepares the necessary components. Once the foundations are laid, you will see a message confirming that the AI is loading. At this stage, it is essential to be patient, as the loading process can take some time depending on your internet speed. A slow connection might result in longer wait times. After the AI is finished loading, you will see a message that states, "Make a website as unique as you." Here, you need to begin customizing your site. Look for the text input area where you can type in "Create a digital agency website." This will guide the AI in tailoring your website to your specifications. Once you have entered the text, proceed by clicking the Enter key. This action will confirm your input and prompt the AI to generate suggestions for your site. You will notice a new message indicating that WordPress.com can create a digital agency website based on your input. Next, type in the next instruction, which is to choose the option provided above. This is essential for guiding the AI in the right direction. After entering your choice, click on Enter again to confirm. The system will process your selection and continue with the setup. You will then see a prompt asking what your website should be called. This is the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Type in the desired name for your site. After entering the name, remember to click Enter to save your changes. In this, you will encounter another prompt asking for a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social media previews. Enter a tagline that encapsulates what your agency offers. As before, click Enter. Next, you will need to click on Create My Site. This action initiates the finalization of your website setup. After clicking, a message will appear stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on your request. Now, you will need to wait for the system to generate your site. This process may take some time, especially if you have a slower internet connection. Be prepared for this waiting period, as it can vary based on various factors. Once the generation process is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your site has been created. You can now explore your new digital agency website, customize it further, and start adding content as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.